Okay, here comes a problem where we're going to be able to use the quotient rule again. We're given a function, y equals 1 over sine x plus cosine x, and we're asked to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point xy equals 0 pi. Now, pi here would be considered the real number, which is approximately 3.14 if we wanted to graph that. Okay, the solution to this problem. Step 1, we're going to find the slope of the tangent to the curve f of x equals 1 over sine x plus cosine x. Now our f of x is a quotient, so we are going to, it's a rational function, so we're going to use a quotient rule. We're going to use u over v prime, where u is a top function, v is a bottom function, equals the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over v squared. Apply it here, we get the slope m is equal to f prime of x, which is the bottom sine x plus cosine x times the derivative of the top 1 prime minus the top 1 times the derivative of the bottom sine x plus cosine x prime over the bottom squared. Now let's take those derivatives. That's equal to 0, because 1 prime is 0, minus cosine x minus sine x. I took the derivative of the second parenthesis, all over sine x plus cosine x squared. And when I clean it up, I get sine x minus cosine x in the numerator and sine x plus cosine x squared in the denominator. That's step 1. Step 2, evaluate this slope, because it is a function of x. Evaluate this slope for our point of interest on the graph, xy equals 0 pi. In other words, evaluate it at the x coordinate in that ordered pair, x equals 0. So go back to the formula, the function you just found for the derivative, f prime, and evaluate it at 0. It's sine 0 minus cosine 0 over sine 0 plus cosine 0 squared. Well, sine 0 is 0 and cosine 0 is 1. So this is equal to 0 minus 1 over parentheses 0 plus 1 squared, which is negative 1 over 1, which is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 is our slope of the line tangent to the curve f at the point xy equals 0 pi. Now to find the equation of that tangent line, we use the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, and we evaluate that at xy equals 0 pi, or I should say x sub 1 y sub 1 equals 0 pi, and slope m equals negative 1. So this is not really an evaluation, we're just plugging these values in and we get y minus pi equals negative 1 times x minus 0, which simplifies to y equals negative x plus pi, the equation of the tangent.